Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. We are here today in Santa Ana at the Goodwill Marketplace. I'm super excited to take you guys into the store. But if you guys love the Thrift hauls and vlogs, do not forget to subscribe to the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. And if you're on Instagram, itsHadrian. It's like a spell here. Check out my shop, itsHadrian.com. See whatever sale for my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head to the store right now. We'll check out the computer work store first and then head over to the regular store. So let's go. The donation center is right here, and then right next to it is the computer work store, which is where we're gonna go inside of. And then just around the corner is the regular store. They didn't have anything in the computer work store, but I walked into the regular store. This little table's calling me. That little stool's cute too. Alright, I'm looking through the handbags first. There's this fake Dior. And a fake Burberry. Look at that. Yeah, I didn't really spot anything in the handbags today. So let's go check out the rest of the store. See if you can find anything else. Man, there are so many people today at the store. Like, it's a little crazy. How cute is this though? A little cat picture. Ooh, another cat right there. That thing just fell over there. Last few times I was here, I was able to like complete some cool the last couple times I've been to the store, I was able to like complete some little like projects that I wanted to complete. Like I was able to find a couple things for my table setups that I wanted to do. Like if you guys didn't see my Valentine's Day one, I thought that was so much fun. Completely thrifted table scape and table setting. And I was able to add these gorgeous wine glasses to it, which I am so obsessed with. And yeah, so that was like super duper exciting, but I'm still looking for a couple more things to do another table setup that I want to do for Mom's birthday. So I am on the hunt. I'm also obsessed now with glassware. Let's see. Is there any cool mugs? I'm always like half hoping that there's some cool mugs and half hoping like maybe there's not. Cause I'm probably gonna end up buying them. Man, there's so many people at the store, it's really hard to film. But just look through all of the dinnerware right here. Didn't really spot anything too exciting. P.S. Has anyone found any lake receipt recently at their store? And if you did, please comment down below and let me know. I need to get some of that luck too, finding some lake receipt pieces. Oh my gosh, is this a carpet? Is this a pillow? Ah! Why am I screaming? Oh, it is a pillow. How fun. It's so fluffy. Oh, is this a pillow? Stop. That's cool. The texture is amazing. Look at this little tiny fake Birkin ostrich. Look at a giant apple. Does it hang on the wall? Is this a giant screw? It is. Interesting. There's also this giant starfish, a little turtle. Why is this kind of a cool, like, table thing? $150? Ooh, it's storage. These little tables. Open up a little restaurant. Oh, they have some cute carpets. This is pretty fun. 25 bucks. They have all of these outdoor gas tabletop fire bowls. They're only $20, down from $50. Oh my gosh, they have so many things right here. Are they all discounted? This gold chair is pretty fun. 50 bucks. Oh, are these on sale? No, they're still 17. Hey guys! Oh my gosh, what happened to my voice? I've been filming for way too long. Hey guys, what is up? We are back in the house. Oh my gosh, this is my last haul to film of the night, and I'm like so dead. I think it's like almost midnight, but I'm still filming. But I'm really excited to show you guys what we ended up getting. Excuse my voice, it's like starting to go away. I also have this like really gnarly cold as well, so I apologize profusely. But let me show you guys what we ended up getting. We went to the Goodwill Marketplace store in Santa Ana. I love that place so much. We didn't get too many things, but we got some fun stuff. I got this foodie surprise mini collectible food carts make DIY yummy gummy treats. I thought this would be so fun to do with the boys. I think it'll be a blast. I don't know how Eliza is gonna fare doing it. I think Kate and Zach will have a lot of fun because they have more of like an attention span, but who knows, maybe Eliza will be really good at this because he also loves playing with Play-Doh. And this is supposedly edible, and it makes sushi, and all three of the kids actually, well, I don't know if Zach really likes it as much, but Eliza and Kate actually like sushi a lot. So this is super fun. I cannot wait to try this with them. And it was $4.99. So I got that. Then I got this really cool, I love these so much. They're like the like clutches that have like famous books on them, like Dracula, and this one it comes with a strap, and this is by a brand called Jack and Heart Handmade. These are like handmade by Jack and Heart in England. This is where it's from. So really, really cute. You can carry it as a clutch, or you can have it as crossbody. Super versatile. I just think like, and this is such a great book as well. Like, who doesn't love Dracula, right? Comment down below, did you guys have to read it for like in high school? Because I totally had to read it, and it was a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. Up next, I have this Kate Spade little top handle bag. Super cute, just patent leather. Well, I think it's actually a coated canvas. And this guy was $3. And then my favorite find of the day is actually this Cole Haan satchel. It kind of looks like a Proenza Schooler PS1, but it has like a shorter strap right there, and it also has a longer strap right there. And it has like this little lock. You push up and it opens, and it's like a beautiful maroon satin inside. And it has a zipper pocket and then 2 open pockets and a key fob. And this one was $13. So not too shabby. I love Cole Haan bags. I feel like Cole Haan bags are often overlooked, but they're so great. I know they're more well known for their shoes, but their handbags are also beautiful. The leathers that they use are great. The leather on this is stunning. And yeah, so this is also going to be up in the shop if anyone's interested. Again, itsHadrian.com, so go check it out. But that is going to be the end of today's video. Hope you guys had fun. I know we didn't get too much stuff today, but I feel like the stuff that we got was still pretty great. Oh my gosh, excuse me. And this shopping day, I actually found some amazing stuff. So I'm going to have the playlist linked for my thrifting videos right there somewhere. We found some amazing stuff this week, so go check it out. We found Miu Miu, we found Tory Burch, more Michael Kors, Kate Spade, Coach, all that fun stuff. So go check it out, and let me know if you guys have found anything really cool recently, because I always love hearing about what you guys find. So comment down below, let me know what you guys have found. What's your best find so far of February? Let me know down below in the comments. But with that being said, we're ending the video here. Don't forget to check out tomorrow's new thrifting video. It's up at 7 a.m. and the new vlog is up at 2. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye! Okay, so now I'm looking through the dinnerware. There is still that setting that I want to put together that it's not quite complete with all the items that I'm looking for. But I'm growing ever closer with each thrifting day. So staying positive. How cute are these Pottery Barn? They have different kinds of pasta. These are half off too, so these are gonna be $150 each. Ooh, I have this Darth Vader guy. They're really cute when you put a plant inside.